Welcome to Velerin. We are at one of the most iconic beachside residences of the new Golden Mile of Estepona, surrounded by the most luxurious properties and resort hotels of Southern Europe. Just 2 minutes drive from Velerin, you are here at the beautiful resort of Kempinski, where you can enjoy a lovely cup of coffee or a dinner or a lunch any day of the week. Villa Padierna, a Mediterranean-style palace hotel that is the epitome of luxury experience in Southern Europe's most elegant golf destination. Velerin is a small beachfront community. Location is ideal. Only 6 minutes to Estepona Old Town and 10 minutes drive to Portobanus. This central location offers easy access to family fun every day of the week, with dozens of restaurants, chiringuitos, museums, a beautiful orchidarium, a new sports center, the Puerto Deportivo, also Old Town with its charming cobblestone streets. Velerin is a gated community. It has 24-hour security and video surveillance. Well established with mature tropical gardens, has 2 outdoor swimming pools and a tennis court. Walking through the garden, we have access to a peaceful sandy beach, which is perfect for an active lifestyle with outdoor gyms and more than 10 kilometers of the coastal walking path that runs along the property line. We present you this corner townhouse for sale in a private area of the urbanization, with only one neighbor on the side. Originally built with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, it has a generous size of 259 square meters distributed on 3 levels. The house is facing directly south with large floor-to-ceiling windows capturing the stunning views. This house is a great renovation project, with prices starting from 2.5 million in the neighboring urbanizations. This is a one-time opportunity to acquire a property in this highly demanded beachfront location, ready for you to customize it to your requirements. It is ideal as a permanent residence, a holiday home, and also offers fantastic rental income opportunity.